beautiful dolls? Thanks again for tuning into My Mandy 28. And as you guys know, I am uber excited to be back. In the previous video that I recorded, I promised you guys that I was going to do a DIY do-it-yourself tutorial on how to tone your 613 virgin hair. So this video will go step by step, showing you how to do it. I'm just filming the intro for you guys so you can understand what's going on. There's a couple of items that you're going to need. For one, you're going to need some toner. And the toner that I like to use, I used to use T18, toner T18 and Willa Color Charm. And Willa, yeah, I said that right, and Willa Color Charm. But this time around, I wanted an ashy blonde. And I used the lightest beige blonde, which is a T11. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can get this from Sally's. I think it's under $3 for each box. I needed, come back to me, light. Come on back. What I used was 2 bottles of the T11. And what you're going to need is the toner and also 20 volume developer. Do not go higher than 20 volume developer because you're only toning the hair. You're not making the hair lighter, if that makes sense. Again, as I told you, oh, my eyelashes. Oh, gosh. God, I'm all over the place today. I'm sorry. As I told you guys in the last previous video, I am not a licensed hairdresser. This is just a DIY video on what I like to do to create this look at home. So, again, what you're going to need is Willa Color Charm T11, and that is the lightest beige blonde. And then you're also going to need 20 volume developer. What I like to do is going to be equal ratios, 50% of this and 50% of this. So to make sure the measurements are right, I'll go ahead and empty out this whole entire bottle. In a bowl like this, okay? So versus shampoo, because for one, I don't want to strip out what I just put into the hair, and then this also adds moisture back to your virgin hair. Mind you, this hair is not attached to your head, so it can become dry and brittle. So I try my best to do not use any sulfate or shampoos that's going to dry the hair out. Now, if you're bleaching the hair, I do recommend using a shampoo or something to get the bleach out. But with this toner, only thing I used was a deep conditioner, and I washed it several times until the hair was soft and all of the product was out. Entertaining and helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can leave your questions in the comment section, or you can email me at johnsonmandy22@yahoo.com. That's JOHNSONMANDY221@yahoo.com. And I'll be glad to respond from the emails. Thanks again for tuning into My Mandy 28. And as always, mwah, love you dolls. $20.